All right, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. We're out here in Houston installing gutters today. Beautiful day, little overcast, sun keeps popping out, so that's nice. Let me turn this around so you guys can see exactly what we're doing here. Installing 6-inch gutters on this home. Gonna be putting screens on here too, step down screens. It's got a brand new roof. Putting some dark bronze gutters up there to have it blend in really nice. And 6-inch gutter with a T-wedge back behind so it fully supports the gutter because it's got slanted fascia board. And the 6-inch gutter is what we like on all homes, to be brutally honest with you, because we get these heavy rains that come in and those 5-inch gutters just can't handle it. Even on a small roof like this, prefer to have that peace of mind, never overflow gutter system on here. Gonna go with the 3x4 downspout, and we're tying into some drains. We got the rectangle outlets like we always like to use, and yeah, let's walk around to the back. All right. Ooh, there goes the sun popping back out again. It's Saturday, February 15th, and we're out and about doing our thing like we always do. And just absolutely love what we're doing here with the different types of services that we provide, so to speak. Turn this back around so you can see what this looks like. All right, there we go. Nice fresh paint job on the house. Putting a 6-inch gutter. Gonna have 2 downspouts. In all honesty, in my opinion, it's really not necessary to have 2 downspouts on this, but the homeowner prefers to have 2 downspouts, so we're going to do exactly what the homeowner wants. So we're going to have a downspout in the middle, in between those 2 windows. Then we have a downspout at the end over there, and then over here on the other side of the chimney, put another downspout. And because of the decking that you have right here, he doesn't want it going up underneath the decking, and he doesn't want it coming down on the back, even though there's a splash block right there. He wants to come it down the side wall, so we'll jog this over this way, bring it right down the wall to about I would say where my foot's at, so we can get some pitch, and then shoot that out over by the fence with some ADS piping. Get that taken care of so it gets the water completely away from the foundation and away from underneath this deck. Again, 6-inch gutter, what we like. Look up our back behind here. Got the T-wedge support, fully supporting the back of the gutter, drip edge flashings inside the gutter. Rectangle outlets, because we use rectangle downspouts. Homeowner pulled the wire out for us a little bit so we can slide the gutter, and he's going to reattach that. We have a downspout tied into ADS hose, which I don't particularly care for. When you're going underneath ground, you should always have PVC pipe. Now he's got a PVC pipe in front. The ADS hose, if you look at it, it's ribbed, so it'll catch debris. That's why we're putting screens on the gutter, so we can keep those drains cleared so they're flushed. But when you go to jet drains like that, let me turn this back around, you're going to tear up that ADS hose with the jetter. So you should always use PVC pipe, smooth pipe, good transition for the water to go underneath the ground. Let me show you what that looks like right here. There's a PVC pipe. Whoop, there you go. So we'll stab right into there. This isn't really buried. It goes up underneath the concrete, which is good, and it comes around here, dumps out onto the driveway. Just going to do some pressure washing on this gentleman's driveway. Again, on this one, it's an ADS pipe. Don't particularly care for that going underneath the ground, especially if it's going underneath the concrete. Coming out right here. You can see that? Because it can get crushed. And again, it's ribbed, so, well, you know, debris could get caught up in there. But again, we're putting screens on top to prevent the bulk debris from getting inside, so we'll definitely take care of that. But you still got shingle grit. Shingle grit's still going to shed off of this roof. And when it's shedding off of that roof, well, you know, it's heavy, it's oil based. It'll get inside the gutter, actually start to conform to the configuration of the OGEE shape, which is the crown molding shape of the gutter. You got slanted gutter, you got box gutter, you got OGEE shape, which is typical on residential homes. But when that stuff rinses down into the downspout and goes into the underground drain, and it's ribbed like that, it'll turn around and start to conform to the configuration of that ribbed ADS hose or black corrugated hose, and it'll clog it. So even with screens, it'll clog it. So you still just got to make sure it's flushed out and maintain it. Put in a micro mesh on this home. I don't particularly care for that on new roofs because the granulars shed so much on new roofs that the granulars will literally clog the micro mesh on top. The oils will leach from the asphalt shingled roofs and clog the micro mesh as well. So when they say never clean your gutters again, it's true. It's not going to let not even pollen get inside the gutters, which is awesome, but you have to maintain the cover in order for that to work on a continual basis, get the most optimal performance out of it. Which means that you have to get up there, let's say like every 12 months, every 24 months, really every 12, and take some liquid Dawn soap, some warm water, and wash it and wipe it off so it's able to work. So don't have to clean the gutters, but you have to clean the micro mesh. In my opinion, if you're having to do that, then why are you spending that extra money? Because it's a lot more expensive to put the micro mesh on there if you're going to have to maintain that. The whole purpose is not to have to get on the ladder and do anything. Now again, still going to have to maintain the integrity of the roof. So you're still going to have to get debris off the roof, especially in this area, because it's got trees overhanging, as you can see. So in my opinion, just go with a easy lock screen, black powder coated screen, small holes designed for pine needles. Yes, it'll allow shingle grit and fine particles to get inside, but the water will flush that, and then every 12 months, every 16 months, turn around and thoroughly rinse out the trough of the gutter. Disconnect the downspouts that are going into the underground drains, and then you can have all that debris flush out so it's not going into the underground drain, and you're good to go. Because you got to get that debris off the roof. If you don't get that debris off the roof, well, you're going to lessen the lifespan of the shingles. And excuse me, black algae will start attacking it too. Let's look at the neighbor's roof. So if you look over here at the neighbor's roof, you can see the black algae is just attacking that shingle. It's a nice shingle too that they got over there. You can see the clean spot, but that black algae is attacking it. It's an airborne algicide, so it will just float over to this roof right here. And it's on that roof right over there. You can see it. And a lot of that has to do with the shade. But again, black algae will just attack the shingles. On this particular roof, it's got an AR guard on there, so you're really not going to have to worry about it for at least 10 years, supposedly. It's not guaranteed, but it is treated, and they do give you a warranty on there, but none that's from the manufacturer. But nonetheless, as I always say, you got to maintain it. So if it starts attacking your roof like it is over there or over there, then go ahead and just shampoo the roof. Shampoo it. Strip all that black algae off of there. Remember, shampoo it's going to strip oils off of there, so then you recondition the shingles. So you replenish those oils that were stripped from the cleaning, and then your shingles are nice and pliable and tacky, not dried out anymore. And it's like it's not going to make it brand new, but it's definitely making it more tacky and soft and almost like a brand new shingle. Let's put it like that. Okay. Let's walk back around here. It's a nice working class neighborhood that we're in. Take a look at everything again so you can see that. The gutter blends in very nicely, so you can barely see the gutter itself. Once the downspouts are on there, you're going to see the gutter. But gutter blends in really nice with the fascia board. Nice looking roof. I like it. We didn't install the roof, and I'm not trying to nitpick on here, but when you paint the accessories on the roof, you really should have a guard up there. Otherwise, you're spray painting the shingles like they did up there. You can see all the paint that's on the shingles. And then also you have to secure the vents, and if the base plates of that vent are, well, exposed, you need to turn around and seal the sides of them, which they're not up there. So that's what I recommend. We do a courtesy roof inspection and let the people know, take pictures of everything, and then turn around and give them a little summary report, so to speak, so they can send that off to the roofer, because this is a new roof, it's under warranty. Don't recommend having another roofing company doing any work on a new roof that has a warranty on it. Have that company that installed the roof do all the work on it so your warranty stays intact, and then they just need to seal it, and you'll be good to go. And then, like I said, after a year, you should still come back and check all of the items that are projecting from the shingles, because just like today, it's really windy. Let me turn this back around. So like that static pipe, or not static, that havoc pipe that's up there, you know, it's extending really far. So the wind is blowing that and it's vibrating. And if the securement points aren't intact, like 3 points, one on each side and one in the middle, and then if those aren't sealed, or the base plate isn't sealed on the side, it's going to cause stress to that pipe. And when it causes stress to the securement points of that pipe, it's going to cause the nails to start popping up. And when that happens, the base plate's going to lift up, and there's a hole there up underneath that base plate. So then water's going to wick in there. Then you turn around, if the trees aren't trimmed back far enough, the squirrels will get over there and they'll get inside that hole. Then you got wasps and bees and excuse me, everything else that'll gravitate to that point. So there's a lot of different things that need to be addressed when you're getting a new roof afterwards. Just because it's a 30-year roof doesn't mean you don't have to worry about it for 30 years. No, you still have to do what is called a roof tune-up and take care of things maintenance-wise, just like cleaning the gutters or getting the debris off the roof or sweeping the screens. Whatever the maintenance is, you need to get it taken care of completely. Otherwise, you're going to have some issues down the road. So, appreciate you guys watching the video. Again, my name's Jeff Lambert, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. We're a full service roofing and gutter company. We also jet underground drains. Oh, wow. Oh man, look at this. It's not that windy, but that tree branch right there, yeah, that's another thing. You gotta trim your trees, because if the branches are dead and the wind blows it, boom, it just comes right down, hit that person's car. That's a big, thick branch too, believe it or not. And it just landed right dead on the hood of that van while I was here. I gotta start looking up, because oh my goodness, there's trees all over. Oh, he's trimmed his trees. Yeah. Yep, he's trimmed his branches. It's a healthy looking tree, so he's trimmed them all. And that's what you should do. Is trim all the dead branches off. Because again, it's really not that windy, you know. There's just a regular wind coming through here. But if you don't trim the branches, the dead branches, then they're gonna shoot off of there and drop onto whatever below it. And thankfully, the Lord was looking out for me and I wasn't over there. So, woo doggy. Woo doggy. Man, that's something. All right, this is Jeff Lambert, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. 281-717-0589. 281-717-0589. Give us a call, we'll come out and give you a free estimate. We'll take a look at everything, including your trees, letting you know what's going on. All right, you take care. Bye-bye.